everyone, want to use Excalidraw completely free. Excalidraw is a free open-source online whiteboard that lets you create diagrams, flowcharts, wireframes, mind maps, and sketches without installing software or creating an account. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use Excalidraw for free in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Excalidraw website. Yeah, you can start drawing immediately without creating an account. Your drawings are automatically saved in your browser's local storage. Next, explore the toolbar. You can draw rectangles, circles, diamonds, arrows, lines, freehand sketches, text, and insert images to create diagrams and visual notes. Now customize your drawing by changing colors, stroke width, background color, fonts, opacity, and line styles. Yeah, you can also duplicate, group, align, and arrange objects to create clean diagrams. If you want to work with other people, click the Share or Live Collaboration option. You can invite others to edit the same whiteboard together in real time. When you're finished, export your drawing as a PNG, SVG, or Excalidraw file. Saving a local copy is recommended because browser storage can be cleared unexpectedly. The free version includes an infinite canvas, drawing tools, local saving, offline support, and real-time collaboration. Yeah, while Excalidraw Plus offers additional cloud features, the standard editor remains free and open source for everyday use. And that's how to use Excalidraw for free in 2026. Whether you're creating flowcharts, brainstorming ideas, designing wireframes, or sketching diagrams, Excalidraw gives you a simple and powerful whiteboard without requiring a subscription. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.